have to be quiet because our baby brother and her sister are sleeping. And this is part 2. So yeah, we're gonna finish this salon. So the first spa.
Could I fix up her hair a little bit?
And I'm gonna fix up her hair. So we're gonna fix up her hair. So I am going to put her in front of me.
And you can use a soft brush. Oops, I'm sorry. You can use a soft brush for her hair because it's...
Yeah, and where's the comb? Right here. Okay. And I have to use a soft brush because her hair is softer. And it's so we have to set them up so it would be easier for me. But since I can't, I have to sit her up like this, as I wish she would just sit like this, but she falls back. So I think I'm going to have to take her out, buckle her.
So you can just sit her up like how they usually sit.
So I'm going to take her out, and my cousin is going to take her baby out so it'll be fair. So it would be fair, and we have to just...
I'm just like combing it piece by piece, like little pieces.
It's really easy to comb their hair,
but hers is kind of hard.
Yeah, it's easy to comb.
But I like doing it.
It's easy for this little baby's hair to be combed. And we just have to brush her bangs down.
And just so you know, this baby that I'm doing is her baby. That one's mine. Could you put it at... Well, no. I was going to say put it in ponytail, but you'll probably lose the bangs. Okay. Because they are pretty easy to lose. That's the only thing that I don't like about babies having bangs, like baby dolls.
Okay, so I'm done. So next thing that I had to do is brush her teeth.
Oh yeah, because she has the big teeth.
So,
and I'm still doing her hair.
Because it's all nappy.
Yeah. And then we're just going to change them. So I got...
Well, we don't change them.
We put them in the bath.
Yeah.
And then we
so
put
she's
their
brushing
clothes
her
on.
teeth.
Well, not change them, but put their clothes on after the bath.
Yeah. Well, and then we're going to give them a massage.
We'll massage right now. This is cute.
So, she's done brushing her teeth. So I have to file her nails. And this is a spa and a salon. That's why we're filing their nails. And they're getting a free massage.
Yeah, and we're going to do outfit of the day after this. And yeah, I'm going to do one. Because I'm going to start doing the outfits of the day. And I'm going to do it tomorrow.
Are you posting this on my channel?
No, our channel, not your channel. You don't have your own channel.
You said that I had my own channel.
No, I said that I have my own channel, and you and me and you both have our own channels. Yes, you don't have your own channel.
No, you don't.
She doesn't have her own channel.
She doesn't remember what she even said.
No, I meant me. I have my own YouTube channel. You don't have one.
She just doesn't want me to have a YouTube channel.
Yep. We both have our YouTube channel, and she makes her own videos, sends it to me, and I post it on me and her channel. I have my own channel.